Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're plunging right into how to utilize TEAMWORKCOM for building your sales funnel, the full 2025 guide. Our first step is setting up your TEAMWORKCOM account. You'll need to input your company's details and your team's information. This is crucial as it ensures that all your team members can access and contribute to the sales funnel, streamlining your sales process. Once your account is set, it's time to create your first project. This is where you'll build your sales funnel. To do this, click on the Add Project button and give it a name relevant to your sales campaign. The reason we do this is to keep all our sales funnel activities in one place, making it easier to track progress and make any necessary adjustments. Now that we've done that, let's move on to adding tasks. These are the steps a potential customer needs to take in your sales funnel. You might have tasks like visit website, sign up for newsletter, or purchase product. Each task should represent a step in the customer's journey. This helps us because it allows us to visualize and monitor the customer's path towards making a purchase. Next up, we're assigning each of these tasks to a team member. To do this, click on the task and select Assign To. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you assign a task, that team member gets notified and they can start working on it straight away. This ensures that every step of your sales funnel is actively managed and nothing falls through the cracks. After assigning tasks, we need to set deadlines for each task. Click on the task, select Set Due Date, and choose your desired deadline. The reason we do this is to keep your sales funnel on track and ensure that your team is working effectively towards meeting goals in a timely manner. Finally, you should utilize the Reports feature to monitor the progress of your sales funnel. This will provide you with valuable insights into how well your sales funnel is performing and where improvements can be made. And that's it, folks. In just a few quick steps, you've learned how to utilize TEAMWORK.com for building your sales funnel. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized, assign tasks effectively, and monitor your progress. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.